Assalamu alaikum and greetings. We are from Group 2 and today we'll be presenting a web tool called Blendspace. Okay, now we go to the Google, type Blendspace and press enter. Click on https://www.des.com. Okay, we now at the Blendspace website. Okay, just a brief introduction of a Blendspace. It is a useful web tool for collaborative sharing of digital contents or resources. These are some of the resources you can get for this Blendspace. It is widely used in blended learning, especially for teachers and students in classroom. Okay. The one most important benefit of this Blendspace, it is totally free. It's very useful in which it uses drag and drop interface as shown here, and this tool incorporates all the important elements of active learning. Okay, now we're going to create a Blendspace account. Okay, you can look up here, click on the sign up button. So we'll choose your role as a teacher, and you can either register with your Gmail or Facebook account. In this case, we will show you by using Gmail. This is your Gmail account. So you have successfully registered an account in Blendspace. Okay, now we will be creating a new lesson. Click on the new lesson button. Enter the lesson title. In this case, we will be doing on a lesson called acute myocardial infarction. Okay, now we can select our contents for this lesson. We will use drag and drop from our resources, either from YouTube. You can click on YouTube and you can find any videos related to our topic, our lesson, which is acute myocardial infarction. So we type myocardial infarction. See the result, and we can drag and drop at the box. Okay, so you can test for the video to be played. So this video is from YouTube.
ACS and MI, acute coronary syndrome, or ACS, is a set of one or more conditions that cause the blockage of blood flow to the heart muscles, resulting in a myocardial infarction.
You can see the video.
MI. The heart is a
There is
muscular
also
organ
interactive
that pumps blood
session between the
containing
learner
oxygen
and the
and
teachers
nutrients
in the
to the rest
discussion
of the body.
on your right
The
hand
left
side.
ventricle is the main
So this
pumping
is the
chamber of the heart and
interactive
contracts to send oxygenated blood
for this
to the rest of the body through the aorta. Several smaller arteries, known as coronary arteries,
any
are
comments
connected to the
and
aorta
will be
and supply the
entertained
muscles
by
of
the
the heart
teacher.
with the necessary oxygen and
And also
nutrients.
other learners also can benefit from this discussion.
In acute coronary syndrome, there is a blockage in the blood flow
So
through the
now we
coronary
go
arteries, usually due to an atherosclerotic plaque.
to another section. Apart from YouTube, you also can use other modalities like Images, Google Images, Google Drive, Google, and also Dropbox, and also web page. So there are many kinds of examples that you can use. So for example, if you want to post the web page, this is from Wikipedia related to myocardial infarction. So this part is the reading part for the learners. Okay. How the teacher want to assess the learner's progress in the lesson. So this Blendspace is another web tool very important that can provide the teachers the progress of the student by creating a quiz. For example, we can add a quiz to test the student progress. You can enter a question, for example here, what happens in what happens during a heart attack. So you can put how many options for the answer. For example, in this case, we put 3 options. The heart stops pumping, the heart does not receive oxygenated blood, and the heart is broken. You also can add another question. What are the blood supply of the heart? Is by for the option the cerebral artery, the coronary arteries, and the renal arteries. So now you determine the correct answers by clicking only on one option. Then press on done. After you completed your lesson designed, you can share with other people. Press on the share button and there will be a lesson link, and you can share or embed on the web through to Google Classroom, Twitter, email, Facebook, or provide a QR code direct to the lesson. For privacy, you can opt for only me, anyone, or only people with the link and my students option. Which resources can be copied from this lesson? Either all resources or only public resources. You also can collaborate with other co-authors. For example, you can add a co-author who have an account for Blendspace, and you can type it on USEC84 RVS and gmail at gmail.com and add to your co-author list. Hope you all will enjoy this simple tutorial, and hope you will happy blending. Thank you.